Yeah, now we've got a golden peasant. There's another one. This one is good morning. So I guess this is the Chinese chocolate pond. I can see it. I guess it's hiding there. I can't see it. Now we got the exactly we just said. Sorry. Okay, now we got a lady armhest peasant. Wages. What's that? Lion and tiger. So we're just gonna go to the lion and tiger after this. We can go on about birds the whole day. I should have shown you a video actually when I was in Tianjin in Wuxing. They got international migrating birds. So this is some of them. And what do we have here? We got a Java sparrow. We got a Java sparrow. Wait. Okay, let me do this then I'll come back. Black cat lorry. Where is it? There it is. And we got a Pajarigo. There it is. And I don't know what this bird is. It's a chuka. Chuka sounds like a native South American or where's Nepal, Pakistan. I thought it was India. I would say like an Asian, Indian area. It is. That's a chuka for you. So now we're just gonna go around and see. There's some more birds. Actually not. So we're just gonna go to the lion and tiger cages. Yeah, there's some more birds this side. Of which I think we've seen enough birds for the day. Anyway, let me just come down. Elliot pheasant, where is it? You can see sheep. Oh, there it is. You can see it clearly. Then Himalayan snowcock. So and then we need to go to the reefs. Yeah. These ones are here. Then we need to try the silver one all day long. This is all day long. Well, I think we've seen a little bit more than enough. So let's go look for other animals.